guys, how are you doing? My name is Kilalo and this is my amazing dope YouTube channel. I just undid my hair. I had crochet and right now it is like this. Looks crazy. So I did a video like a year ago about a process where I did keratin on my hair and it went viral. It is like one of my most popular videos and I want to do keratin again on my hair. The last time I did it at the salon, so this time I'm just doing it at home. This is my hair, how it looks. So I'm going to take you through the process of doing it and seeing if it is going to turn out as the one that I did at the salon that I loved. I loved how it turned out. And it's a year now. My hair is not the same texture as it was when I did it at the salon. You have to watch that video if you have not watched the video. So this time it's a little bit finer. I feel like I know the process, so why not buy keratin and do it at home? So I bought keratin treatment from Amazon and it came in this package. So this is the package. The package has these gloves. And this is the box. It looks so little. I don't know if it is going to cover my whole hair or head, but I hope so. I really hope so because I just bought one packet, which was like $90. So I hope it helps. It is called Amazon List Nutri Professionals. So these are the steps: step one, step 2, and then step 3. I'm going to go through all the steps and also follow the steps that I did on the salon or my salonist did on my hair so that it is all smooth. Watch this video to the end to see how it turned out if you are interested in doing keratin at home. So I have washed my hair. I'm following the step from the salonist who did my hair, and I'm also following the step from the Amazon list, from the pamphlet they brought, and it's basically the same anyways. So I've washed my hair with this anti-residual shampoo. From the salon, I just used normal shampoo. When I did it in the salon, I don't think it was any special. The only thing that I remember her saying is make sure you're using pure shampoo, not those 2-in-1 like shampoo conditioner. Make sure that it is pure shampoo. The point is to not make your hair smoother with a conditioner, because as you know, conditioners always sometimes good conditioners make your hair a little bit softer, easy to comb, but in this situation you need your hair as natural as it is to use the keratin. I've washed my hair. Now I'm going to partition it into 4 parts or 3 parts so that I can apply the keratin product. But I wanted to show you this process where this is how my hair looks. It's kind of similar from how it was before I first applied the keratin, but it is a little bit finer. You can't see, but you can feel that it's a little bit finer. So let's continue with the application. So I'm going to dry myself. I just showered. I'm going to dry myself, put on oil, and then now continue with the process. This is how it looks after all that process. And this is so light, and yeah, it's just like the way I did it in the salon.